Welcome back to our channel CA English CA Foundation. This video is for Business Maths Chapter 1 Exercise 1. We are going to see 11 to 20th sum in this video. Okay, and the 11th sum is the ratio component of duplicate ratio is 4:5, triplicate ratio of 1:3, subduplicate ratio of 81:256, and subtriplicate ratio of 125:512. Just we want to find the appropriate ratios as given. Okay, first 4:5 duplicate ratio mention is a D. Okay, duplicate ratio means a square is to b square, 16:25, and then you want to find triplicate ratio mentioned as T, 1:3, just cube it, 1:27. Okay, then we want to find subduplicate ratio SD. Okay, mention it as SD, 81:256. just want to root 81 root 256. Okay, root of 81 is 9 and root of 256 is 16. And subtriplicate ratio, okay, 125:512, and cube root this. Okay, cube root of 125 is 5 and cube root of 512 is 8. Then just we want to equal all of them. Okay, 16 divided by 25 equal to 1 divided by 27 equal to 9 divided by 16 equal to 5 divided by 8. Just cancel the possible things. 16 cancel, 9 1, 9 3, 5 here, and the 5 can be cancelled. Then just wrote the balance one, and by 5 equal to 1 by 3 equal to 1 by 1 equal to 1 by 8. If there is no number in the denominator, just mention not any number. There is a number 1. Okay, don't mention it as a 0, because 1 by 0 is infinity. Okay, after this method we cannot solve this sum as the previous method we use, because there is no common denominators. Okay, just you want to take LCM of it. Okay, 5 3 1 and 8, just take all the denominators and put in it. 5, okay, just then 3, then 8. Okay, if you multiply all these three numbers, you will get the LCM answer, and the LCM answer is 120. Okay, you know the basics of LCM from your childhood studies, I think so. Then the above answers are 24 plus 40 plus 120 plus, I think so, 15. Yes, 15 equal to 120. Okay, then the answer is, our total answer is 199 divided by 120. 199 is to 120 will be the answer, but the answer is not given in the options. Okay, and the answer is D, none of these. For these we need to find this much of steps in the 11th sum, and the 11th sum is over. The 12th sum, and the 12th sum of this exercise is easy. Just read the question. If A is to B equal to 3:4, the value of 2A plus 3B is to 3A plus 4B is what? They are asking simply to find the ratio of this value. Okay, then the given ratio, we can write the ratio into divide. We are seeing in all the sums this A by B. Okay, we can wrote like this. That means 3:4 equal to 3 by 4. The value of A is 3 and the value of B is 4. Okay, then apply on the given equation. Okay, 2 into 3 plus 3 into 4 is to 3 into 3 plus 4 into 4. Okay, then multiply and add both, you will get the answer. Okay, 3 into 2 6, 4 into 12, 4 into 3 12. Okay, is 2, just close the bracket. 3 into 3 9. Okay, plus 4 into 4 16. Okay, 12 plus 6 18 and 16 plus 9 25. 18 is to 25 is the answer, option D. Okay, 13th sum. The two numbers are in the ratio 2 is to 3. If 4 be subtracted from each, they are in the ratio of 3 is to 5. The numbers are. Just we want to find the numbers. Okay, the two numbers. The main concept of the sum is these two numbers. The answer is the two numbers. Okay, two numbers are in the ratio 2 is to 3. The two numbers are in the ratio in 2 is to 3. If 4 be subtracted, from 2 is to 3, the 4 is subtracted, the answer is 3 is to 5. Just we want to take a note, just if 2x minus 4 is to 3x minus 4, then the answer will be 3 is to 5. This is the given question. We are taking the unknown number as x. Okay, and just we want to solve this. Just multiply this with this and this with this. Okay, then 2x minus 4 into 5 equal to 3x minus 4 into 3. Just multiply inside it. Okay, 10x minus 20 equal to 9x minus 12. Am I right? Okay, am I right? Then take the constants to one side and variables to one side. Okay, then 10x minus 9x equal to 20 minus 12. Therefore, x is equal to 8. Here we got the value of x. Then go and apply the value of x into 2 and into 3. Okay, then 2x is equal to 2 into 8. Therefore, one number is 16 and another number 3x is equal to 3 into 8. Then 8 into 3 is 24 and the answer is 16 comma 24. Option A. The angle of triangle are in the ratio 2 is to 7 is to 11. The angles are. Just we want to find the angles of triangle. Just draw a triangle and this is a triangle. Just we want to find A, B and C. These three angles. Okay, and the total degree of triangle is 180 degree as we know. Okay, the given is 2x equal to A, 7x equal to B and 11x equal to C. Okay, just add three of the ratios, you will get 20x just equal to 180 degree. Therefore, x is equal to 9. Just apply the value of x into them. Therefore, 2 into 9 equal to 18 degree. Okay. Therefore, 7 into 9 equal to 63 degree. 11 into 9 equal to 11 into 9 equal to 99 degree. If you want to cross check the answer is right, just add all the degrees, you will get 180 degree as the answer. Okay, and the answer is 18 degree comma 63 degree comma 199 99 degree. Okay, option is C. 13th sum, division of 324 between x and y. 11:7 x and y would get rupees. Just this sum is, we want to find the division for x and y, and the ratio for x and y is 11:7. Just like the last sum we have seen for triangle, and the given ratio is 11:7. Okay, just take 11x is to 7x. Okay, then in last sum we know that is 180 degree, just we are equaling to that. Okay, in this sum they have given us 324 rupees, just equal to that. Okay, 11x plus 7x equal to 324. Okay, just add it, 18x equal to 324, therefore x is equal to 18. Others the multiple of 18. 18 into 18 is equal to 324. Just we have got a value of x. Okay, then apply on the value of x. Okay, 11 into 18, then 7 into 18. Just we want to multiply it. Okay, 198. 11 is to 11 into 18, then 7 into 18 is 126, and 198 comma 126, and the answer is not given in the book, so the answer is none of these. That's it. 16th sum, Anand earns 80 in 7 hours and Pramod earns 90 in 12 hours. The ratio of their earnings. Here in this sum they are given the details, just we want to find the ratio. There is a simple way to solve this sum. Okay, first write the given 80 divided by 7, sorry, yes, 80 divided by 7 divided by 90 divided by 12. Just cancel it off the zeros. This is the easiest method, I can tell you. 3 and 3 into 4 equal to 12. Just keep it this self and cross multiply. Okay, cross multiply this one. 8 into 4 equal to 32. Okay, and 7 into 3 equal to 21, and this is the answer option A. Okay, 17th sum, the ratio of two numbers is 7:10. The difference is 105. The numbers are, here you want to listen that given us difference. Difference means nothing but subtraction. Just like the 14th and 15th sum, this sum can be easily solved. Just take the bigger number on front and the smaller number on the last. Okay, 10x minus 7x, and the given is 105, just equal to 105. If you subtract, it will get 3x equal to 105, and the answer is x is equal to 35. The answer of x is 35, not the complete question's answer. Just we want to substitute the x value on their places. Okay, then 10 into 35 equal to 350. Okay, then 7 into 35 is equal to 245, and the answer is 245 comma 350, and the option is C. That's it. 18th question, and the question is little bit bigger. P, Q and R, the three cities. The ratio of average temperature between P and Q is 11:12. Between P and R is 9:8. The ratio between the average temperature of Q and R. Just we want to find what is the average temperature ratio of Q and R. That is given in the question. Okay, let's take and write the givens of the question. P by Q equal to 11/12. It was given, and P by R is equal to 9/8, and it was also given. Just we want to find Q divided by R equal to what? That was the question. Just divide these both terms. Okay, 11 by 12 divided by 9 by 8 along with the constants also. Okay, P divided by Q and P divided by R. And the next step is you want to brought the denominator to other side, it will be reciprocal and the symbol will be converted into multiply. And the next step is 11 divided by 12 into 8 divided by 9, and it will become P divided by Q, and that side it will be reciprocal, that means R divided by P. Okay, then we can cancel some things as possible. P and P can be cancelled, and 12, 4, 6 and 3 and here 2, and the answer will be 22 by 27. It is R divided by Q. This answer is given in option A of the question, but this is not the right answer as given, and the right answer we need is Q by R. Okay, and the answer is 27 by 22. That means in ratio Q is to R is equal to 27 is to 21. That is the right answer. I will write clearly here, 27 is to 22 is the correct answer. Q is to R, and the option is B. Okay, one of the easiest sum, 19th sum. If x is to y equal to 3 is to 4, the value of x square y plus x y the whole square is to x cube plus y cube is. Okay, and the value is given, x is equal to 3, y is equal to 4. Just you want to apply on it, x square y plus xy square divided by x cube plus y cube. Very easy. Just put equal to 3 square into 4 plus 3 into 4 the whole square. Okay, divided by 3 cube plus 4 cube. Just you want to square the terms and multiply the terms. Okay, not the whole square is given here, that is only the y square. If the whole square is given, no, it's wrong. Sorry for the wrong information. Just here the y square is only given. Okay, 3 into 4 square, that is right. Okay, I'm right, as I'm right. 9 into 4 plus 3 into 16 divided by 27 plus 64. Okay, yes, then just multiply 9 into 4, 36 plus 16 into 3, 48, and the answer is below 91. 84 divided by 91. If we simplify this value, the answer is 12 divided by 13. In ratio, it is 12 is to 13. Okay, and the option is B. It's very simple. And we are getting into the last sum of today's video, and this sum is 20th sum of exercise 1. If P is to Q is the subduplicate ratio of P minus x square is to Q minus x square. The x square is, just we want to find the value of x square, the given. First we want to write the given values. P divided by Q equal to P minus x square root, because it is a subduplicate ratio. Okay, then root of Q minus x square. Why we are putting root here means because there is the question sub duplicate ratio. Okay, just now we can go into the next step. In this step we are going to bring the root to the opposite side. Okay, if the root is going to opposite side, it will change into square. P square divided by q square equal to p minus x square divided by q minus x square. Now just we are going to cross multiply it. P square into q minus x square equal to q square into p minus x square. Just multiply with their terms. Okay, p square q minus p square x square equal to q square p minus q square x square. Okay, then we want to bring the common terms on one side. Here is q square p and p square q. Both are as soon as same they are. Okay, bring this side and get this to this side. Okay, p square q my is the term is positive here, it will be in the opposite side, it will go to negative. Okay, p square q minus q square p equal to, here is a negative sign, it will in the opposite it will have positive sign. P square x square minus q square x square. Okay, then we can solve this very easily using we can take out the common terms. Okay, here p and q are common. Okay, if you take p and q outside, inside there will be q minus q. Here there is x square is common, you can take p square minus q square. You can remind something by seeing this. The thing is a square minus b square can be written as a minus b the whole square. The formula for a minus b the whole square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. That is the formula. Okay, now we can solve using the formula. Okay, we can write this as p q into p minus q equal to x square into p plus q into p minus q. Okay, just cancel the p minus q. Then we want to do some steps. I will just adjust the camera for your visible. Okay, now we are going to find the x square as easily. Okay, the answer we need is x square. Just bring this p plus q to the opposite side. Here this is in the multiplication. When it comes to the opposite side, it will become in division. Pq divided by p plus q equal to x square. This is the answer, and the option is C. Okay, and today's video is over. We will be seeing balance sums in the next video. If you don't subscribe our channel, please do subscribe our channel for the regular videos. Bye, take care.